Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of liver per histology practical and slides. There are four identification points of liver. Number one is portal triad. Number two is hepatic sinusoids. Number third is cords of hepatocyte radiating from the central vein. And the fourth is hepatic lobule with central vein. These four are the identification points of liver per histology practical and slide. I already upload the slide detail histology video of liver on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. After that video, then watch this identification points of liver per practical and slide. On my YouTube channel, you can find general histology, special histology, slide identification videos, and also identification points of every slide for practical and slide identification. If you like my videos, press the like button and share these free videos with your friends. And if you new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open the all notification in order to you receive my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.